All right, so I have my certificate done. It's all designed. I have my text boxes, I have my artwork. My text boxes don't have boxes on them. I only have 2 fonts on this whole page. For me, I chose this font for my decorative font. It's called Carbon Block. And I chose this font, Teen Light, as my sans serif font. You could have done serif or a sans serif, a more normal font. My next job was to go to Excel. And in Excel, this is what Excel looks like. I was supposed to write first in A1, last in B1, and what for in C1. Some people, everybody should be writing a long description of what for, and obviously that column's very narrow. If it bothers you that it's so narrow, you can click and drag and make that as wide as you want. It really doesn't matter whether it's wide or not. Just know that when you are typing here a long description, a very, 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 very long description, that you can always get back at it. You're not going to go click in the D column. It was written in the C column. It's all up here on the formula bar, and that's where you can make your corrections. I did make a list like that here under Recent, and I called it Cert List. And this is what it looks like. And you can see like last names sometimes got cut off. Again, I could have made that column wider, but I can see up on the formula bar that it's there. I'm noticing I have a typo here, and I just happened to notice it now, but it would be a good idea to do a spell check. And to do a spell check, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to worry about names. I know that I spelled the names right. What you care about with the names is that their last names and their first names, those are proper nouns, so they should have capital letters at the beginning. In this column, this is the column I care about spelling on. And so I'm going to go to the Review toolbar and check my spelling. So laser tag is not one word, it is 2 words. So I'm going to change it. Messy. I wanted to repeat it, so I'm going to ignore it and say OK. So it's good. I can save it. And this one's being called Copy of Cert List. And now I'm going to go and close this. Now I'm ready to merge things. So to get a merge going, what we're going to do is click on Mailings. And I am going to start a mail merge. I am going to follow through these. This ribbon will all light up as I get things going. But I kind of go from left to right. So we start with a mail merge. This is going to be a letter type of mail merge. Now, the next thing we're going to do is select our recipients. We have that list we made that I just saved and closed. I'm going to use the existing list that I made, and it was in my Documents folder, and I know that I forgot to put in my computer class. There it is, Copy of Cert List. There's a preview of it. I say Open, and I say OK. Now I'm ready to start inserting those fields. So where I have it highlighted here to say name, I am going to insert a field. First name, space, insert field, last, enter. Now where it says reason, I'm going to highlight that, and I'm going to insert the field what for. Now it looks like nothing really happened, but let's preview. So I've got the first one in there. Let's keep previewing. Preview it all the way through. Check and see that you don't have any spelling errors. Check and see that your text doesn't run out of space, like your text box cuts anything off. You might need to make some adjustments. If you see a spelling error, or if you see somebody's name appears wrong, anything like that, you are going to need to save the Microsoft Word document, close the Microsoft Word document, and then you're going to have to open your Excel document. You have to understand it will not allow you to open up your Microsoft Excel document and make any changes to it if you already have a mail merge document open. So it only lets once they're connected, it only lets one be open at a time. So when everything is ready to go, instead of doing the normal old file print, you're going to go to Finish and Merge. So click Finish and Merge, Print Documents, say OK. You are going to be going to the color printer, but we are going to be doing something special at that color printer so that you will get 4 on a page. So what you're very important to do is to go to Properties, go to 4 up, and say OK. Click OK again and it will print 4 on a page. When yours is printed, you need to leave it with me so that I can grade it before I give it back to you.